What's up, everyone? Hope y'all are having a great day so far. Y'all already know what time it is. If you clicked on the video, it's time for another Buc-ee's update. It was a bit chilly on this one, as you can see right here, but that doesn't stop me or this DJI Mini 2. Let's get right into it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Psst, I do these every week, so check back for more updates. about wraps things up for this video. If y'all hung around this long, thank you. I appreciate it. If you guys like these updates, make sure to drop a like on this video. And if you want to keep going down the YouTube rabbit hole, as always, let's pick another video for you right here. See you next time.